Well, hello everybody. This is Chase, and it's a Broncos Sunday, and we're just about ready to head down to the game. But as I was taking my Shaklee supplements and washing some of the dishes with Basic H, and just realizing how much I love these products, I was thinking which one is my favorite, and I realized really what my favorite product about Shaklee is. It's not one product; it's the concept of leverage and the ability to earn some compensation for sharing these products. That's the best thing they have. And the products are so good, they generate such loyalty for decades. This is my 28th year of using Shaklee, and I've used a lot of Shaklee products. Obviously, a lot of the nutritional supplements are extremely important, but just the fact that like Basic H, you wash your dishes, or Trisha's uses Basic H on the horses to bathe them and to use as a fly spray. And we're not harming the planet or ourselves or the horses or anything. It's such a win-win. These products are so good, and the supplements help your body. They actually work, and they help your body give you the best health that you can have. And that's pretty phenomenal. But by far is the ability to earn some compensation for sharing these products with others. That's it. You could call it a business if you want. You could just say it as a very unique company that rewards you for sharing these great products that are great. So as I was thinking today, I was thinking, these are great products and I love them, and which one's my favorite? And came to realize it's the leverage, power, and the ability to earn compensation just because you would normally be doing this anyways. I don't share Shaklee because of the money only. I share it because I believe it 110%. And but it is nice to be compensated in this world for products that are good and do help others and help the planet. I mean, there's not a Shaklee product that will harm a human cell or hurt the environment or the earth in any way. None. And they will never do that. So it's pretty phenomenal, and Shaklee is still growing by leaps and bounds. And I just wanted to do this video to remind you of what we have and encourage you to share Shaklee with others. I'm using YouTube right now to do that, and this will be recorded for a long time. So thanks for watching, and just know that if there's anything I can help you do to help you share Shaklee, let me know. Have a great Shaklee day.